Hello YouTube, Themba Sivate speaking here. So people have been wondering why this guy has stopped uploading videos, or why can't he give us some updates or something. So first, on this video I would like to share with you the project I'm currently working on here, So the title of this video states that it should be updated regarding the audio player. I've been coding for quite some time now, but actually it will also include the other projects I've been working on, so that you can comment and maybe give me a suggestion or something, because my plan is actually to publish the softwares, So the first software I'll show you, the media player will be the last one, will be the third one. I'm just going to show you 3 programs I'm working on now, So the first one is this, I call it STCam. So so it's just a small program, as you can see here. It's just a small application that can allow you to actually capture yourself some pictures, and so that maybe when you are recording a video and you want them to see you while you are talking, then it's a good utility, to use. And yeah, it just captures it just access your camera, in preview mode, of course, and then, for example, you can see here, and on my pictures there's nothing here, but now I can capture the current image. As you can see, it just came there. I can capture more, it will auto save or under your pictures, and also, under your pictures folder, and also you can set it to be always on top, of course. And so in this case I just disabled this option, meaning that if I click any program, the program will come in front, if you know. And yes, so let me delete those. And yeah, that's the small program I was working on. It's just too small, but of course my plan is to actually allow the user to also record the videos and save on the local disk, not just to preview, and also not just to preview, but must also record a video that have got a sound, and yeah, also the user maybe should be able to resize this and adjust it, and put it somewhere there while the person is busy recording. You can see him or her down there, so yeah, that's the small application I was working on. So I can now minimize this one or close it actually. So I'll show you the second one, or actually I can just stay on top and resize this, put it down there. So yeah, that's the first program. So the second one I'm gonna show you is saved on my network drive here. There's this one. So this is the one I was just showing you now. So now I'm gonna show you STDocsWork. I called it STDocsWork. So this small application, by the way, this STDocsWork, I coded it in Delphi. I used Delphi, of course, but for this one, this program, STCam and the media player and the audio player and so on, I actually use C++. And yeah, so if I can minimize this. So where did I save this? Where did I kept it? Somewhere here, I believe. So yeah, this is the, I called it, yes, ST-Talks. Yes, this is ST-Talks. As you can, it just explains itself. It splits document, merge documents, and convert them, and yeah. So there's nothing much under the tab for settings. I'm not done yet, and here's just about. I didn't complete it yet. Also, however, there may be to convert some documents, some PDF documents, and split them, and all those things. It's just a small task, of course. So I have, excuse me, I have some documents here for sample that I will open here. This is just a 5-page PDF file, so I will convert this PDF file to another format. And also we have another one that has 56 pages down here, and also we will also convert it to other formats, you know. So I tested the split option, and the merge option is actually working fine. And for conversion, we support different type of formats here, as you can see. However, the RTF and docs have a little bit of issues, so I'm still working on that. So I'm just gonna add a file which is like this how-to. I'm gonna edit, which is actually this one here, and then I will gonna go to my document and check. As you can see, there's currently 3 folders only there, and then I'm gonna convert it to JPEG and then convert. Okay, so it's done converting. As you can see, there are 5 pages there, and they are JPEGs, no watermarks, no restrictions. It's done through the code. So I'm gonna delete that, and then I'm gonna now convert it to another format. Or actually, let me remove or clear that, and maybe add the one that has 50 something pages here, and I will convert it to PNG and then convert. So since this one is bigger, then it's gonna take quite some time to complete the conversion process. And let's see. Come on, why taking long? Why taking long? Let's see, actually. Oh, it's done. So here's the document, and it's actually done, as you can see. So this tool here is just to convert some document. So now what I tested is that convert from PDF to other formats, even though the last format, doc and RTF, has some little issues. But then I'm still working on it, and I'm quite sure I will find a solution somewhere, somehow. And the split option is also working fine. Is this thing still recording? Of course, 7 minutes. Okay. Yeah, and let's just add one to split and see. So already this document has 5 pages. You see, it can display down there. But I believe I didn't build it yet. So since this one, I'm using another machine to code this system in Delphi, not the current machine. So, but yeah, the next application I'm gonna show you is the media player. I mean the audio player, I can say, you know. So yeah, actually I think this is gonna require me to show some little bit of code and build here. So a person on YouTube asked me if it's possible I can allow the application to change the themes and the color or something like that. So I'm gonna build it and run it, and then I will hear from you guys if you like it or not, because like I said, if I can type here, my website is stsoftware.org. Yes, stsoftware.org. So that's where I'm gonna upload my softwares to. People will download them from that link. So it's done building. I'm gonna run the application. So now it just looks like this. So my plan here is to allow this audio player to come with ST can be seen already built in the application you saw, the one I use here recording. If you download the media player, I was planning that it will come embedded to it. You just open the media player. From there you can even choose to open it, or you can just ignore Also, my plan is that if maybe you have a certain album somewhere here, you can right click and archive it here. Archive it means zip it, or yes, zip it. So that's why I was planning to also let the audio player come with the archiver or a tool of some sort. So also I was planning so it comes with a built-in audio recorder, which is quite simple to build. So I'm not sure if I must put it. I will hear from you guys if it will be cool or not cool this way. But also account manager there, so that you can be able to actually upload your selected album to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, or something like that. And to do that, you're gonna require you to log in using this account manager here, and then metadata editor is used to edit the media information of the file. So now I'm just gonna drag and drop some files there and show you what it can do so far. So I believe, of course, it has some bugs. It's still under development, so don't be surprised if you see any bug from this point, you know. So those you are looking at now are just albums. As you saw, I just dropped 3 albums there, and the artist here, that's the artist. If you double click there, you can see the tracks under that artist. And if you double click an album, you can see the tracks under that album, or the songs within the album. So the genre there, you can double click, and of course you will, as you can see, and all songs, as you can guess, it contains all the songs. So then I'm gonna reduce the volume because I believe it's quite loud, you know. So yeah, so that's what the so if my plan is that if I click here, it should take me to the tab, the genre tab for rock, as you can see there. But I didn't code that portion yet, it's just maybe 3 lines of code. But however, the album that you see written American Candy here, I can click it, it will redirect me to that album and automatically list the tracks there, as you can see. So the volume, it works fine as expected, of course. Increase your understanding. I didn't program yet this button, so the style I use when I code is that I attack the most difficult part. Once I'm done with it, I can then implement this, because I attempted many times to build an audio player, so I know how simple it is to just program these remaining things here. So I'm not sure if in the first version I must release it with all these tools, or I can just release and so. But now I'm gonna show you another cool thing that happens here. But never mind the kind of music I listen to, so please be patient with me. Let me see if I can. It has a back, of course, so yes, it is hanging as expected. Of course, it is hanging, and I believe it's done hanging. As you can see, there are now many more. Yeah, so what I want to show you actually is, where is it? I'm not sure if we can find a genre that has many. Maybe this one. As you can see now, there is this new group, they return similar albums there. So this group gets generated if the current song you are playing, its genre matches with another one of the same artist or not. I mean, if the same album, if another album has the same genre, then it should be able to be listed under similar albums, because the chances are the same. Never mind the way I pronounce it, I'm not good in English, so I'm sorry. And also I will take this opportunity to apologize for the microphone is actually not good. I can tell too. I tested before recording and it was not good, so the sound quality is bad, so I'm sorry about that. So under recent here, I didn't code yet, but it's quite simple to, especially these two steps are very simple to code. So now I was just focusing on those ones. So in this case, you see there's no album art showing here. So we can actually let's drag another folder that has album art. Like this old songs, never mind, but yes, there are these old songs I like that are somewhere stored here. They have album art. This folder contains 5 or 6 albums, I guess. So I'm gonna drop it there, and then I'm gonna wait, or maybe come here. If I can scroll down, you can see now there's a new genre called a country. So I can double click it. There you can see the tracks there. So the person singing these tracks is written here, Johnny Cash. So I can go to artist there and see Johnny Cash there. As you can see, I can double click also and list his tracks. So he has many albums, as you can see here, from here down there, down there. So I'm just going to double click one and maybe play one, so you will see what I'm talking about. So now it's a bit slow because I'm actually recording at the same time it's still doing calculating of all the tracks I just dropped here. But as you can see, it was able to extract the album art there, and the other ones they also have album art there. I'm sorry about that. Did you see that? If I click, it's gonna take me to the location where, as you can see, and the albums, and then it to list all the tracks belonging to the albums I just clicked here. As you can see, it's selected and it lists them. So like I said, I'm not done yet, and I would like to hear from you. If there's something else I'm missing, or there's something else that I'm doing wrong that people are not gonna like after I publish it, I would like to hear from you. And because of course, like I said, I'm gonna publish it sooner or later. And by the way, I'm not sure if I must talk about it in this video, but yeah, I actually resigned my current job just to work on this programming thing, you know, because I actually love to code. So yes, I'm currently officially unemployed, you know, just sitting here writing some code. That's all I'm doing. So, but anyways, if you are interested in the story, I will make a video about it. So yeah, this is the current. Oh, about the themes, by the way, to change the background here. Before I forget, you can see I can set it to blue. So I can right click here, you see the color here is blue. If I hover, it goes black, and you can see. And then also the green, I'm not sure if it's the one that was still previously. So maybe orange. That was orange, and purple. I'm not sure who like color purple, but yeah, it's there. And also one more yellow. So these are the colors we have so far. I can expand this, by the way, as you can see. So when I close it, to next time when you open to load the last color you selected there, you know. So but in case you're wondering, is it possible I can make color black or something, I can close this program and show you something interesting. I can select this ribbon there, and under color here I can change it to 2016 dark. I'm sorry about that. And then I can rebuild the whole application and run it. So I was thinking that this dark, I must also include it there as an option for you, for those who like color black or color dark, something like that. So here, this dark looks like this. So maybe I can drop these songs there. As you can see, I can play it actually while it's still editing. So you see, now detected 4 is because it collected this data before it actually finished loading all the tracks. So now maybe if I can play another track, you see there are 5 now, because actually now it's done reading all the data here. That is why it shows like that. So yeah, this is color dark or color black, I can say. So yes, my plan is to let it be able to actually upload to this online storage services, and yeah, there's nothing much on about here. It's just the feedback. You can send it to this or to me. My phone number and yeah, the website and the company name I registered last month, and yeah, I actually officially registered this company last month, but never mind, it's 2015. That's when I started building systems. So you should be able to add some folders maybe somewhere here. So in this case, I just pop up your message to show you that I can actually get this selected folder. It's quite simple to do too. And the playlist, I didn't code it yet. So, but now since I resigned and I have a lot of time to code, so as I showed you in the beginning, 2 systems I've been working on since I resigned. I resigned on which day? Here. I resigned at this on the 22nd. It was never yeah. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching, and like I said, I will really appreciate if you can suggest and tell me what to do, what to add, what to remove, and all those things. I would like to hear from you guys, and please, if you like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching, okay, and bye bye.